Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking few cards, Aquarius. So these are for your general energies, Aquarius. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Aquarius, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading that will follow this general guidance. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And Aquarius, this is an intuitive reading. So at some point of time, you may get the answers you are looking for. So it's better you watch till the end if you want clarity in your circumstances today. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have Lady of Suns, Neophyte of Moons in reverse, and the Burning Tower in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your career or maybe in your relationship, you have a person, someone really truly, having good intentions on you, who's really concerned about your welfare and who are here to guide you today. And this person is truly loving and caring, and they are guiding you with their knowledge. So, if you have such a good friend truly concerned about you, you must listen to them, listen to their advice today because they are telling you the right things today. So, that may be the situation in this relationship. Maybe this person you love, they are telling you something good, giving you good advice, helping you out, maybe telling you the truth. And you need to listen to this person if you feel that they are really honest and they are someone you can trust. You must listen to this person because they are talking to you about something important, because you have people who are jealous towards you. They are trying to make you choose something. So you have two sets of people here, Aquarius. Never have I had such cards in any reading. So maybe there are people who are trying to influence you in the wrong way, and maybe this person is here to help you. So if you feel that you can trust someone, if you feel that someone is really honest, someone is really reliable, you can trust that person. Other than that person, you should not listen to others because they are here to flatter you, make use of you in some ways. So you must be really careful about whom you trust today in your life, whom to trust and whom to rely on, because situation is really it may take a wrong turn today. Something difficult may come up, and you need to trust only those people you can trust. Lot of confusion and difficult circumstances are coming up, but in that confusion and difficulty, you must not go for some impulsive choices. Something someone tells you may look like something right for you today, but you need to go for those decisions, maybe which you feel really right for you intuitively. Think for yourself clearly. Otherwise, you are going to land yourself in some difficulty, Aquarius. So, for your relationship, we picked one more card here. So, it is Two of Spears in reverse. So, in your situation in this relationship, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So, this person is sending you a message or a letter, something important. You never expected this, but you are getting an answer for something you asked. So, some important communication, it may be um, what to say, it may be a negative message for most of you guys, but for some of you, it may be a good news coming today in form of a message. So that is what I see with these cards for your relationship. So for your career situation, Aquarius, we have Star in reverse. So in your circumstances, you have great hopes, faith in your future, but things are going in a difficult way, and you need to think clearly before you're making some important decisions, because if you make some wrong choice today, it may lead you, it may be quite irreversible, so you must be careful. So that is the energy here, Aquarius. That is the reading with these cards. Thank you for watching this reading. It may sound like something negative, guys, but these are just cards. You need not worry. What you make of your situation is in your hands, Aquarius. So be positive and everything will be positive today in your life. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so we will start with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, we will see what it is. Fair brown and trembling. So with this card, the energy is that in your situation today, whenever this card comes to you, it just means that you are supposed to manifest whatever you wish for and do not accept the fate someone else is forcing upon you. You will, maybe you are shy about something, you are feeling really humiliated, and all that humiliation you have gone through in your life, all that troubles or whatever circumstances, toxic circumstances you have been through, and you were really hurt. But very soon you will find the person who will respect you for what you are, respect your characteristics, respect your uniqueness. And this person will protect you, and this person will fight for you, and they will also search for you if you are not to be found. That will be their dedication to you and to this love you both will share. And there is a good fortune coming to you, guys, for those who chose this card. And you need to value yourself and believe in yourself, because each and every one of us are unique in our own way. Maybe the strangeness or shyness, whatever it is the most valued and treasured qualities you have. You need to understand that. And all that goodness you have today, maybe the opportunities, maybe people within your own family are not kind towards you. They are quite jealous, or they are thinking of you in a bad way. They may have bad intentions towards you. And you need to understand that if you are in a good position, maybe financially, or that's what I mean. Financially, if you are in a good position, you have a lot of things people may be envious about. It is all the fruits of your own hard work, and you need not give it away to someone. You need not share it with the people who do not care for you, guys. It will never bring happiness to that person and only to you. And you need to understand that. And you are someone unique, and you need to have that trust in yourself. And you will find that true love, long lasting love, that is coming towards you, and this person will understand you and respect you for what you are, what you truthfully are, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have Pink Sapphire. So it is a crystal spirits card here, guys. So with this card, it just means that you need to heal yourself. That is the energy with this crystal spirit, the pink sapphire spirit. It just means that you need to turn inward, and you need to be concerned about yourself and not with others at this particular time. Let go of any urge you are having to think about the past, assessing what happened, what went wrong, and reliving the past. That is not going to help you in any way. You need to, you deserve to be happy, confident, and faithful. So, in order to achieve all that, you must let go of all that old stories, release the pain that is no longer serving you. So, you need to, maybe sometimes we may feel sad, we may feel like crying. We need to vent it all, vent out, go for a good cry, give up all that energy out of you, all that negative energy out of you, make way for it out of you. And you need to fill yourself up with love and acceptance that you so much deserve today. So, this crystal card just reminds you that you are what you are, all that you need to be right now. You are whole, you are someone, a beautiful spirit, and conscious universe which is loving you is telling you that you are very strong as you are, and you need not feel anything negative about you. And this crystal spirit teaches us forgiveness, guys. So when we forgive, we let go of all those toxic feelings, and we welcome love and happiness in our heart. So that is the energy here with this card. And that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.